YouTube farm, welcome to my channel. We are here in the famous Honorable Michuki Park. So this is one of the places actually to explore, and good nature trail. I want to explore this place today and see what this place has. So this garden is medicinal plants. So beautiful tree. I think I have to stand on top, guys, it's free. Yeah, I need to feel that amazing, nature. I think I have to remove this one. I have to remove the earphones, which I'm using it for. Okay, so trail, So yeah, so I was saying that's Nairobi River. So let's have a nature walk. Yeah, panda mlimani. So I want to see where this nature trail leads to, yeah. So so it has those spots for you guys sit, for you guys to sit and relax, for beautiful view of Nairobi River, Beautiful park, beautiful park, amazing trees, So I think this is nature trail. So there's definitely a place here where it's the tree nursery now. Yeah, where I think the seedlings, the trees that some will plant here, there are You can see those beautiful drums. No, what I'm thinking to to descend here and hike along the river, you know. So guys, that is pure sewer. I can't lie, that is sewer, definitely. Oh my god, oh my god, they have amazing sculptures, guys. They have amazing sculptures. Oh my god, oh my god. Let us find, let me find where I can climb and show you guys. They have amazing sculptures. Sculptures, yeah. Yes. Oh, a sculpture. These are out there, you know. Hey, look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. Yeah, they have amazing sculptures here. I want to see them, you know. Let me climb. Yeah, it's good place for, you know, amazing nature trail. I've seen some beautiful sculptures. Yeah. So yeah, it's not only me who is actually exploring or trekking, but and this is just amazing place, guys. You know. And see, welcome to the Nairobi Botanical Garden. Yeah, I'll have to climb also there to actually show you. Ooh. Yeah, these ones. Look at these. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Like, you know, definitely this one. You know, this is a person. This is a person. This is a person. Then that one looks like an owl. That one looks like an owl. And this is a person, you know, but I'm not understanding. This is a leg. So I think something. No, I think I need to actually see from. Actually, but it's just amazing, you know. I don't understand. Then, yeah, actually, this place is amazing, guys. You can have a meeting. You can have. Actually, let me put this one. So, guys, this place, I think, I think this is a shrine. Yeah, this is a shrine. So, we've seen one is ancestors' footsteps. Ancestors' footstep. Number 2, 412 Kigano Memorial Posts. Kigano Memorial Post. Then simple seats. Simple seats. Rock seat. Not syndrome, but I think relaxing seat. Animal totem. Animal totem. 9 is lizard seat. Tree of life. Number 11, charm of totem. Charm of totem. Then labyrinth table, carved by 𝖍𝖑𝖆𝖆 and Anton Wanjau. So it was supported by the Royal Embassy, you can see. So I want to identify those things. Yeah, so this place definitely looks like a shrine. So don't know what is that. You know, it's a shrine now. Is there spirits actually to chase me?